Go to Scene Properties. Change to imperial to metric. Change to meters to centimeters in length. Take a plane. Change x and y values in the dimensions. Change the z value in the location. In edit mode, extrude. Add bevel modifier. Change the values. Right click and click shade smooth. Take a cube. Change the x and y values in the dimensions. Move this cube to the corner of the top object. In edit mode, select the top vertices and move. Move this cube to the corner of the top object. Change the x and y values in the dimensions. To copy modifiers from the top object to cube, first select this cube. Holding the shift, select this. Click Ctrl L. Click Copy Modifiers. Select this cube. The modifier is copied to this cube. Right click and click Shade Smooth. Add Mirror Modifier. Add Plane Axis. In the mirror object, select the empty. Tick to Y also. Duplicate this. Move this. In edit mode, select the vertices and move. In edit mode, select the vertices. Scale on x-axis. Select these vertices and move. Add mirror modifier. Tick to Y and tick to X. Duplicate this. Rotate to 90 on the Z axis. In edit mode, select the vertices and move. Scale on the Y axis. In edit mode, select the vertices and move. Apply the modifier. For this tool, go to Edit, click Preferences. In Add-ons, search for Modifier tools. Tick to Modifier tools and save. Apply the modifiers. Select all objects and click J to combine. Click Ctrl A. Apply all transforms. Table modeling is completed. In the next video, we will do texturing.